our culture has always been, after 10 episodes, we'll bring you making of all the videos that we have done in the previous episode. But that one, we are going to do it in the next episode. This episode, we are going to use it and say thank you to all our subscribers that have been supporting us and have been showing us love. We have 850,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. For all the people that used to come here and you do not subscribe and you just watch our video, please subscribe. And for Dennis Inigwe and Emanuela that have gone to the US and go there and stay and they are supposed to come back today and you have refused to come back today because you are enjoying yourself in the US. Dennis Inigwe, my sandal that you took to the US, I know you are watching this video now. If you don't return my sandal, Mwogi, please let me not hear that you forgot my sandal in the US. Anyway, okay. Thank you to our sponsor, Premium Pen. Thank you so much for all that you have done for us. Thank you for this fancy office that you help us to get. Thank you so much. Now, I'm relaxing in this very comfortable chair. My back is no more paining me when I'm pressing my computer. Thank you so much. I almost have hunchback because I'm always doing like this and pressing computer. But now, you have said no, that I should relax in this good chair. Thank you very much. Let me play a message from our sponsor.
Manuel, I hope you do better this time.
Yes, I have my magic pen now.
Okay. No copy, oh. I'm giving you all 30 minutes to round up with this exam. Do you understand me?
Yes, Auntie.
Your time starts now.
Auntie, my pen have stopped working. Auntie, my pen has disappointed me.
What do you want me to do? Should I become pen or should I give you my red pen? If you like, you can go outside and buy pen. But when it's 30 minutes, make sure you submit your paper.
Auntie, no need. I have my premium pen here. Auntie, premium pen is very reliable. It makes my writing neat and has never disappointed me. Auntie, can I share it with them? Auntie, my pen has stopped working too. Auntie, my pen has stopped writing. Auntie, my pen has stopped writing. My pen has disappointed me. Auntie, my pen has stopped writing.
Manuela, do you say pen?
I don't say pen, no. Auntie, premium pen is very affordable. You can get it in any shop around you. I use my lunch money to buy them.
Okay, oh. Pens up! Hello, children!
Yes, Auntie!
Are you all happy with your results?
Yes!
Emanuela's premium pen is the best. Your writings were smooth and neat.
Wow!
And you all passed my exam.
Yeah!
What is the problem? I don't have my own premium pen.
Okay.
Thank you, Miss Premium Pen.
Miss Premium Pen! 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 Premium Pen is my magic pen. Get Premium Pen and start writing smoothly.
Thank you very much for watching that message from our sponsor. People have been saying we should do prank, we should do prank, we should do prank. I want to ask you that are our subscribers, should we do prank? Please send your message, and if you have prank suggestion, please send it to markangelcomedy@gmail.com. Please Send prank idea to markangelcomedy@gmail.com. You can go to our other channel, which is Mark Angel TV. The link is down below. Just click on the link and go to our other channel. We are going to start uploading pranks in that channel, and we are going to also upload other things, like we are going to have live video, live streaming on that channel very soon. So just go and subscribe to that channel right now, and so that you will see this thing. Yeah. Okay, we are going to do compilation and making of all our videos in the next episode. That is Inigwe. You are watching this thing. If you don't return my sandal, come back to Nigeria without my sandal. That is Inigwe. I know you are watching. If you like, pretend that you are not watching this video. Cut it.